Let's look at a few other options when detailing your bass edges. This way you can test to figure out what's easiest for you and gives you the best results.
Option 1, try wrapping 400 grit sandpaper around your file, being certain the sandpaper contacts this stainless steel plate right here and the guide. Take a few light passes and then finish with 600 grit sandpaper. And remember, if you don't hear any sound, that's your confirmation that you've reached your angle, so you're done. The second option is to use a 400 grit diamond stone or diamond disc. Either will work in the Pro Bass Bevel Guide. Take a few light passes and then finish with your 600 or 1000 grit diamond. You can test out using diamonds dry or spray on your edge solution to see which method makes bass edge detailing easier for you. Your third option is to test ceramic or elastic stones, dry or wet, to see if they give you the outcome you're after. One thing worth mentioning here is if you're uncomfortable using a file, you can perform all of these detailing options going in both directions as previously demonstrated. This may make it easier, especially when you're learning. Last of all, take 1 to 2 very light full-length passes to tie in the transition point right here where you detailed the tips and tails. Use whichever option you prefer, but one thing to keep in mind is to always maintain the exact same downward pressure no matter where you are on the edge. Do this by keeping the tool directly under you when moving, not outstretched and away from you. This will prevent any waviness to the edge and give you the most consistent tune that will feel noticeably different. We've focused on detailing the tips and the tails here, but remember to apply these same options and techniques to any other high spots that you may have on the edges.